Have you ever pondered what happens when desire overshadows humanity? In ancient times, King Midas ruled Phrygia, known for his insatiable greed. One day, he encountered a satyr named Silenus, who had lost his way. Midas, eager to impress, offered comfort and hospitality. In gratitude, the god Dionysus granted Midas a wish. Without hesitation, Midas wished for the ability to turn everything he touched into gold. At first, he reveled in his newfound power. The mere brush of his hand transformed ordinary objects into gleaming treasures. Gold flowed from his fingertips like water, filling his halls with wealth beyond imagination. Yet the joy was short-lived. Midas soon faced a horrifying reality. Even food and water became solid gold. As hunger gnawed at him, he realized he could not eat or drink. His heart ached when he touched his daughter, only to watch her transform into a lifeless golden statue. In despair, Midas pleaded for release from his gift. Dionysus, moved by Midas' suffering, instructed him to wash in the river Pactolus. As the golden water washed over him, Midas learned a painful lesson. True riches lie not in gold, but in cherished connections with those we love.